Hello from Slovenia again. So because a lot of people like this black and white flower, reverse flower dip, cup bottom, flower shaped cup bottom thing, I decided that I will try to do it with the glue mixture. So I mixed black with the glue, pouring medium, 60% craft glue to 40% water, and I mix it 1:1 with my paints and my pearl white, Vallejo pearl white medium with Winsor & Newton titanium white 1:1, and then add 1:1 ratio with the glue mixture. And this is my glue mixture. It's just, I don't know how this is look. A lot of people tell me that you can buy this Vallejo pearl medium at Blick's in States, so, and you can buy glue, so obviously you can try this with this mixture too. We will see if this will work at all. I will just adding black and white. And it's just a small canvas 8x8, so just to try. Because you know that when I try something, I love to use these small ones because you don't need as much paint. So, but you still can see if some technique works or not. Some even work better on smaller canvases than bigger ones. These reverse dips are working better on smaller ones because it's hard to do it on a big one. The biggest that I think that it works okay is 12x12. But you can try. Melody tried on bigger canvas and it was beautiful too. But I'm stuck with these little, kind of little ones. They are not so little. This one is little, but 12x12 is not so little, I think. And I see some selling here, so I think that it will work. Up, let's up, turn it around. And I will do my lines now because I think that it works better if I do it right now, because it keeps shape a little more or something, I don't know, or maybe it's just my opinion and it doesn't matter, but I will do it anyway. And let's add some black again. Or white. And I will do just a few layers here in this middle part. Just one more. What I think that when I mix this with glue, it gets a lot of air bubbles that I don't get with my pouring medium, so but that's how it is. We can help it. Maybe if I will leave my paints mixed for some time. I don't need to do that with my pouring medium, but maybe with glue I should. But I was just thinking to maybe try this for you, so that you will see if this work or not. I did some nice reverse dips with glue already, so I think that it should be working, but you never know. Okay, I will just try to pop some of these air bubbles before I will put down my napkin, because it's really a lot of air bubbles, you see. I hope that it will not make a difference, because I never torch before I layer my napkin down. Okay, I sprayed already with water, so place it down carefully, and the other half. Okay, gently, gently touch, just gently. And I will really try to leave that one nice today, if I can. I will grab these corners. Whoop. And it's starting to appear. You know that at first it looks gray, but pearl white will react a little bit, so and I think that it is a little different, but I still like it. Not just like, I love it. I think that I did get a little more gray than with my pouring medium. I just want to do something here because something is kind of a blob or something. Just can't get rid of this. Okay, I did. and I think that I really like it, maybe that way. And I did quite a good job with lifting part today. Yay for me. So let me take you down for a close-up. And as I already told, my camera doesn't have pause button. So as you can see, you can get nice lacing with just a glue mixture. I would like a little more white here in the middle, but you can't have it all. So I hope that this video helps to the people that think that you have to have my pouring medium. No, you don't have to have my pouring medium to get this effect, and this flower is just gorgeous for my taste. I don't know what you think. So tell me in the comments if you try with glue and what happened with glue. Did you get it? Will dry a little more matte because glue dries matte, but if you will varnish it or resin it, it will be shiny again. So I'm happy that I can show you that glue works too with this technique. So tell me in the comments, what do you think? I think that it's quite similar. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.